Are you ready to harness the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize your personal finance? In 2026, AI tools have become more accessible and powerful than ever before, offering smarter and more efficient ways to manage your money. Whether you're looking to track your spending, optimize your savings, or even reduce your taxes, AI is here to help. In this guide, we'll explore the top 8 ways to use AI tools to improve your personal finances, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your financial goals and make smarter money decisions. 1. Autonomous Subscription Sniper. One of the most time-consuming and often overlooked tasks in personal finance is managing subscriptions. In 2026, AI tools have revolutionized the way we handle these recurring charges. Instead of manually reviewing your credit card statements to spot zombie subscriptions, services you no longer use but still pay for, AI agents now monitor your accounts in real time. These AI tools not only flag dormant subscriptions, but also identify price hikes or the expiration of introductory rates, which often lead to unexpected cost increases. The beauty of the Subscription Sniper is that it works entirely on autopilot, allowing you to reclaim money that would otherwise be quietly draining your accounts without you even realizing it. With this AI tool, you can ensure your subscriptions are under control without lifting a finger. 2. Predictive Cash Flow Forecasting. Gone are the days of reactive tracking when it comes to managing your money. In 2026, AI-powered tools can provide predictive cash flow forecasting, taking your budgeting to the next level. Rather than just tracking your past spending, these advanced AI systems analyze your historical expenses, upcoming calendar events, and even external factors like local inflation trends to predict your bank balance up to 60 days in advance. For example, that might notify you today that a planned weekend trip in 2 months could cause a shortfall in your rent fund. This allows you to plan ahead and adjust your spending accordingly, rather than scrambling at the last minute to make up for an unexpected shortfall. By using AI to forecast your cash flow, you can make more informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. You'll have a clear understanding of when it's a good time to make a large purchase or when to hold off until your financial situation is more favorable. 3. AI-driven tax loss harvesting. Daily. Tax efficiency plays a significant role in growing wealth, and in 2026, AI has made it easier than ever to minimize your tax liability. One of the most powerful tools for this is AI-driven tax loss harvesting. In simple terms, tax loss harvesting is the process of selling investments that have lost value in order to offset taxable gains, reducing your overall tax bill. Unlike traditional methods where you manually review your portfolio at the end of the year, AI tools can scan your investments daily for losing assets and automatically sell them when it's advantageous for tax purposes. The proceeds from these sales are then reinvested into similar assets, ensuring that your portfolio stays diversified while maximizing tax savings. This real-time process can add an extra 0.5% to 1% to your annual returns, an amount that can compound into 6 figures over the course of decades. By automating tax loss harvesting, you're ensuring that your retirement savings grow more efficiently without the need for constant monitoring. It's a seamless way to enhance your returns while minimizing the impact of taxes, ensuring that more of your money stays working for you. For hyper-personalized, risk-parity portfolios. Traditional investing strategies often rely on generic categories like moderate or aggressive risk profiles, but in 2026, AI is enabling hyper-personalized portfolios that are more aligned with your unique financial situation. The risk-parity portfolio approach uses AI to build a portfolio based on a biological risk profile, which takes into account not just your age, but also personal factors like your health data, career stability, and even your debt levels. This AI-driven system creates a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of fractional real estate, cryptocurrency yields, and global equities, all tailored to your specific life circumstances and volatility. The AI continuously adjusts your portfolio's risk level in response to changes in your personal or professional life, ensuring that your investments align with your current and future financial needs. Rather than relying on one-size-fits-all strategies, AI allows you to take a dynamic approach to risk management, optimizing your portfolio for both growth and stability. The more personalized approach reduces the likelihood of severe losses during difficult times, giving you greater peace of mind while still allowing for growth during favorable conditions. 5. Automated negotiation bots. Negotiating better deals on your utility bills, insurance premiums, and other recurring expenses can feel like a full-time job. But in 2026, AI-powered negotiation bots can do the heavy lifting for you. These bots scan your contracts, including utility, internet and insurance agreements, and contact the providers via chat or email to negotiate better rates. The bots use real-time competitor data to quote lower prices and secure discounts, saving you time and money on autopilot. What makes these bots particularly powerful is that they can negotiate better deals without you needing to lift a finger. Instead of spending hours researching competitor rates and drafting negotiation emails, you simply let the AI bot do the work. These bots are especially effective at securing loyalty discounts or revisiting expired offers, ensuring that you're always paying the lowest possible price for your services. By automating the negotiation process, you can save hundreds of dollars annually on bills you might not have thought to revisit. The money saved can then be redirected into your retirement fund or used to pay down high-interest debt, increasing your overall financial efficiency. 6. The impulse buy friction filter. We've all experienced the urge to buy something impulsively, whether it's a gadget we don't need or an item on sale that catches our eye. In 2026, AI can help curb these impulsive purchases with a rationality layer that adds friction to the buying process. This AI browser extension calculates the opportunity cost of any high-ticket item, showing you how many hours of work it would take to afford the purchase. For example, if you're about to buy a $500 gadget, the extension will inform you that it equates to 4 months' worth of your child's college fund growth. It also has a cooling-off period. If it detects an elevated pulse rate via your smartwatch, it will prompt a 24-hour delay before completing the transaction, giving you time to reconsider. By introducing this friction into the purchase process, the AI helps you resist unnecessary spending and reconsider whether a purchase is truly worth the cost. It's a simple, effective tool to avoid impulse buying traps, keeping you financially disciplined and helping to grow your retirement savings instead. 7. AI Benefit Maximizer. Many of us miss out on potential financial benefits simply because we're unaware of them. In 2026, AI tools can scan your employment contract and local tax laws to identify underutilized benefits, ensuring that you never leave free money on the table. These benefits could include health savings account, HSA matches, tax credits for home offices, or rebates for using green energy. By feeding your contract and local tax laws into a private AI system, you can uncover opportunities to optimize your financial situation. Whether it's negotiating your employer-provided benefits or taking advantage of overlooked tax credits, the AI will help you find ways to reduce expenses or increase your savings, directly impacting your overall financial health. Utilizing the Benefit Maximizer ensures that you're getting the most out of your benefits, boosting your retirement savings and reducing your overall tax liability. 8. Contextual fraud and error detection. Fraudulent transactions and errors in your bank account or credit card can quietly erode your finances over time. In 2026, AI tools provide context-aware fraud detection that goes beyond simple fraud alerts. These advanced systems can spot issues like double charges disguised as separate transactions or flag errors in tipping at restaurants where auto-gratuity has been added on top of your tip. By using these contextual fraud detection tools, you can catch microleaks that traditional bank security might miss. These AI tools provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring that your finances are secure and that any errors or fraudulent activity are detected early. This proactive approach to security can save you money and prevent unnecessary losses in your accounts. There you have it, the top 8 smart ways to use AI tools for personal finance in 2026. From automated subscription management to predictive cash flow forecasting, these AI tools will help you take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your finances with AI. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you'll start using today. I'll see you in the next video.